Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I hope you enjoy this content. Check out some of my other content and subscribe to my channel. So today's video, I am doing an unboxing and initial thoughts on Modelones. It's a dip powder kit and they have this labeled and marketed as a starter kit. So this is how everything comes packaged, and I'm just gonna go through everything that is included in the kit. So on the back, it does have some warnings and some ingredients. Inside the kit, you get this bag full of goodies. Yeah, I'm just gonna unbox everything, then I'll start to go through one by one, but this kit is like full of stuff. So the liquids that you get are the base, brush saver, top coat, and activator, and these are glass 1 ounce bottles. This is one of my favorite brands of liquids, partially because it is in a glass bottle and I do like how these liquids apply. Really quick, you do also get instructions on how to apply and how to remove the dip powder. You also get this dip powder tray, which is actually pretty convenient because these are smaller jars. So if you had longer nails like myself and you wanted to do dip, this tray would be perfect. And what is also included, you do get some replacement brushes. I don't know if anyone's tried to replace the brushes. I tried that once on another liquid and literally couldn't get the old brush out. So I don't know. Have you guys tried the replacement brushes to replace your brushes? Let me know in the comments below. So you get a brush to dust off the powder. You get a hard brush as well. You do get pedicure toe separators. Not really sure why this is there unless people do dip on their toes. I'm not sure. You get a buffer and a file. You also get these removal wipes. And so you get 2 packs of the removal wipes, and then this pack, I couldn't tell which ones they were, but this is just to wipe off like the UV gel. So if you wanted to, what you could use them for is after you put your activator, before you put your top coat, if you're using the top coat that comes in the kit, to use that to wipe off excess activator before you apply your top coat. So you get a cuticle remover, cuticle pusher, and clippers. And then you also get a cuticle oil, and it does have the ingredients on the box. So I'm just gonna put all this stuff back because I'm not gonna use it for this video. Just push that to the side. I do wanna try out this cuticle oil. As you guys may know, I do have a website where you could shop my cuticle oils. I have 8 different scents, well, 7 different scents and an unscented. So I am partial to my cuticle oil, but I did want to try this out, and this one is okay. It's not as moisturizing for me as my oils, and then it does have a lot more ingredients. My cuticle oils are pretty simple and straightforward. I figured with my oils, less is more. So it does come with a cuticle oil pen. I'm still gonna use it, even though I prefer mine. I'm probably just gonna put this in my purse and for when I'm out. But these are the colors that come in the kit. You get 8 jars of dip powder, and they're 0.42 ounces, so it's a little bit under a half an ounce. And the thing that I like about this kit is the variety of colors. A lot of them are more spring summer colors, but some of the colors are versatile and you can use them for fall as well. Also, I know a lot of people, myself included, I kind of just put whatever on my nails whenever. So if fall doesn't really matter to you, then this is a good kit for you. So I am just going through using the base, and I'm going to dip each nails. I do stir each pot before I dip, before I do the first dip, not each dip. So just watch me do swatches here. I only show the first dip, but I actually went in and did 3 dips. The pigment on some of them weren't as pigmented as I wanted, like the yellow. Of course, it's a baby yellow or pale yellow, so it wasn't as pigmented as I wanted. So I went in and just did 3 dips on all of the colors. So some of these dips were more on the chalky side, so they were probably mixed with more white acrylic, versus some of these were more on the sheer side, so they were probably mixed with more clear acrylic. So generally, if you have a chalky acrylic, a chalky dip or a chalky acrylic, you can mix that with white. And I will link a video that I do have fixing a chalky acrylic. I will link that in the cards above. Also, I'm gonna link a couple other videos, a few other acrylic videos, as well as a video on how to reduce monomer smell in your house. I know a lot of us do want to know if these dip powders can be used with monomer, and I will show that shortly in the video. But for now, I'm just showing you the first coat of the dip. Again, like I said, I did end up doing 3 coats on these. I think you could get away with 2, but I just wanted to make sure that the pigment was extra pigmented, and then the application was even. So that's another reason you might go in and do that 3rd coat, just if any of the application was patchy. So I do think this is a good starter kit. I think it does come with everything that you need to do a full set of nails if you're just going over your natural nails. So here's me doing the swatches, and I'm gonna do it with the low odor, slow setting Modelones monomer, and that dap and dish that I am using is from Eden Rose's website, and I do have a 10% off discount code in the description box below. So I'm just going in and doing swatches. This is not marketed as a 2-in-1. This is marketed as a dip powder. However, my own curiosity, and I know a lot of you guys will ask, can these be used with acrylic? So I just wanted to do swatches. So it's kind of hit or miss with these. The yellow seems like a little patchy, and the camera really didn't pick up too well on that. But you will see how the other ones work pretty clearly. So as I was saying, I think this is a great starter kit, especially with all the extras that you get. The only thing is, for me, if I do dip powder on my natural nails, I still prep and prime my nails. I know some people do not, they just go right in with the base. So I guess that's up to you. I prefer to use a prepper, a dehydrator, and a primer. So let me know what you guys think about this kit in the description box below. Let me know how you feel about the colors. Do you feel like it's versatile, like some of these can be used for fall, or would you just exclusively use this for spring and summer? Let me know in the comments down below, like, what colors do you use in fall, like, or do you just pretty much wear whatever you like? So these last 2 are did marble pretty bad, so I probably wouldn't use those with the monomer. But let me know what you guys think down below. If you guys are looking for some additional content, please check out my featured channels page, or my featured channel section on my page. I am featuring my channel members, their pages in that section, so definitely check out some of their content. So this is the finished product, the 3 coats of dip and the swatches. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this kit. Let me know what you think of Modelones dip kits. Yeah, that's about it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you also check out some of my featured channels as well. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you guys soon for another video.